Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. Into this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can decorate your GitHub profile. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow this simple step. So basically there are some variety of things that you can use to uh, decorate your GitHub profile. So first, let's just access our profile and from here we will find the profile as full. So one of the things is your status. You can add some status and it might be funny or it's just can be some status that is explaining something or uh, telling a message. But the most thing that can decorate your profile are your achievements, which are the badges. You can make them to be visible. So let's just go to the settings and basically in the public profile, you will be needing to go down and basically you can make your and basically here in the profile settings, you can show achievements on my profile. So basically here, you will make sure to have your achievements to be in public. So we can update the preferences. And if we go to our profile, we will find the badges that will be start showing. So as you can see, you can have also here some uh, activities. You can have your repositories. You can customize the pinned repositories. And the most thing that will decorate your profile is the README. So make sure you have a repository by with the name of your username. And as you can see, it is the same username. And from there, you will be needing to add things to uh, the README file. And let's just go here and I'm just going to the comments and basically you can have many things and there are some APIs that you can use that would add some things or some very appealing things like these ones. So I'm just going to copy and paste these lines and like you see here, I'm just going to Control C to copy it and let's just go back again and we can click here and basically it can add some status to your profile and if we go to the preview you will see that it can have some more appealing and it can decorate your profile and basically you can just copy paste this one and make sure to change this one to your username and basically you might also search in the web engine for many other things to or for many APIs to decorate or to have to show your stats in GitHub. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.